the InfoFxmosako. This is the recap video I always do on Fridays, and I posted on Saturday. So yesterday I was very tired, so I couldn't do it. I was out, so now I am free, so I'm taking the time to quickly just show you guys what happened to the market and how it went with our buys. Okay, so I'm going to start with and firstly I just want to wish I wish y'all had an amazing trading week, because most of our setups that I said were going to happen truly happened. So do go watch the previous video of week 1, February, or the 1st to the 5th, and see how we managed to be able to see its opportunities, and how during the week we were able to take the opportunities and be profitable. For me, this week was a good week. I was able to get a real account, but with like I had changed from my sister that she sent me, so I was like, you know what, let me just put it in and see what can happen. And luckily, I was able to double that account, take out the money, that the change that I initially invested with. So now I'm just trading with the profits that the market gave me. And yeah, man, hopefully it'll help me be able to get to the $200 account or the $100 account that I initially want to start trading live with. Or it's even better, because I said I want to start trading live videos, but I want to start trading live accounts by March, by actually April, the 1st of April. So now I'm just trying to make profits, putting them in my account until they reach a specific number. So hopefully by the time we reach April, I will have that starting capital for me that will help me progress with the live account. So without wasting any further time, let's get into it. With the DXY, the US dollar currency index, what had happened was, at the start it was right here. It was right here. So like I said, it was going to go to the upside. So it was able to go, but as you can see, this is the the short term. Actually, no, I'm sorry, let me not say the short term. I knew after breaking out here I would have to come and retest and go to the upside. Like as you can see here, this is what I had on the previous video. You'll see it was there. I don't know why it's doing this. Just hold on for me. Oh man. Bear with me. 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 Okay. Alright, like I was saying, as you can see here, guys, this was here a long time ago, and that's what I knew, that I used the trend line basics in terms of it breaking through a trend line. Every trend line has to be retested eventually. So it went up and it came down. Obviously it skipped this proper one here, but this is a retest because the structure, look at the structure, it's a swing. So I know that it came, tested this level around here, and it went to the upside, and that's how I was able to say that the dollar is continuing its strength to the upside. But as you can see, once it got here, that's when the momentum finished. And GBP had interest rates that were released, and this is because of the interest rates. As you can see, these are the interest rates. So the news were good. Then the dollar was able to lose a bit of strength from where we come from. This is a little bit, it lost a little bit of strength, man, because here it gained a lot. It really gained a lot. So now, man, hopefully it's just testing this area here before proceeding to the upside. But the market slowly but surely is getting back to its normal moving, like it's getting to its normal pace, man, in terms of how it goes, because it's been fundamentals, guys, all this time. It's just been fundamentals. The coronavirus, GBP, England getting out of Brexit, now the vaccines are getting in now, so the vaccines are just putting in, like, it's good for each and every economy, so currencies are just competing and competing and competing. So I can't wait for that to end, because now the competition is just way too high. Like, it's making the market so volatile, and some moves are just happening funny, man. So what I'm grateful for is the market is eventually getting back to its normalcy, if that's a word. and we'll be able to trade it in a fair way. I would like to think, like in a fair way, in terms of it'll do what you expect it to do based on normal results that are out every month. So now let's go to GBPUSD. Like I said, we were looking for sells on sells on sells, and as you can see here, after like I said, this was take profit one from the previous week. Actually, I entered this Monday. I said I entered Monday. I was able to enter until somewhere here, but because I was very reluctant, I ended up getting out of the trades before moving. So I missed a couple of these trades, like proper trades. But I think on my demo I was able to take them. But on the money on the account that I was wanting to flip the change, I didn't trade it. So on my demo account I did trade it, and it did go and end up hitting my TP2. Then when it got here to this line here of 1,36400, I just knew here I just had to sell. I had to sell. But unfortunately, I was already in trades on US30. So I only take like 3 trades maximum. That's my thing. I want to take 3 trades maximum. So adding this was going to be more, and it was just going to add more risk. So I didn't take it. But on Thursday, I ended up taking a trade here. This trade here, I took. You see here, this is where I got in, and I went until here before the interest rate news came in, and unfortunately, I wasn't able to close them in profits. I hit break even, and I think I lost a couple because I entered 2. Then I lost a couple of cents, and I just went out. Cause wow, imagine this, man. It was going to be hella hectic here. You could have blown your account if you weren't risking very well. Like you legit could have blown your account. So I'm happy that I was able to close, and yeah, it played out the way it had to play out. So it kept on going. Then the next day I was very reluctant because, like I said, I'm aiming for a strong dollar. So a GBP was really out of the question in terms of me trading a buy with GBPUSD. But I could have done it, guys. You could have done it as well, because like I said, there's always 2 ways a market can go. Don't always be stagnant on it going a certain way and really believing it will only go that way. So I could have prepared for this and traded it, but I was happy because my US30 trades were going well. So I didn't really want to fiddle with this currency pair. So we'll only be able to now next week be able to really view it properly and see how we can go by trading it. US30 for me was the best, guys. Like honestly, I will not lie to you. Yo guys, the US30, it was wonderful. I was able to catch it. You see, like legit where the setup is, I was able to catch it here on Monday. On Monday, I was able to catch it. Actually, yeah, Monday, I was able to catch it around here, and it went, guys. It went. Then around here, this level here, especially I remember this one here, breaking into its 30s. I went out because I was scaling up, and I scaled up too much. So the drawdown here was just too much. So I ended up getting out. Then as it came back, then when it came here and retested again, I get it broke through. As you know, after a trend line is broken through, it has to come back and retest. And it kept on giving me this wonderful morning stars. So I had to take it, man. I had to take it. So I did take it, and it went up. I entered again, scaling up, Then when it got here, I entered again. But as you can see, I was in drawdowns, but I was very confident. I will not lie to you. I was very confident. Plus, the account had grown. It had grown. The demo account has grown. I'm actually going back because it was $100. Then it went down to like $30. Now I took it back to $100. So tell Leona, please. Sorry about that. I was able to take this trades here. As you can, this trade here with confidence, because it wasn't on my. I'm sorry. Yeah, as I said, my dollar account was I took it to 100, and now I've broken even. So now going forward now, it is growing this account, growing this account. But one thing I want to say is this year I'm not aiming to blow an account. So whatever, by all means, we are not blowing accounts this year. So with that, we're using proper risk management, proper risk management, because we cannot blow any accounts. I've been in this game for too long to not be breaking accounts. And if I do blow an account, it's because I wasn't following my trading plan. And you too, if you do blow your account, just know you weren't following your trading plan. So on the one that I flipped, guys, I flipped an account twice. I flipped it twice. So with that change, it was like around um $10. From $10, I took it to like 50, I mean $40. Then I withdrew all those profits. I withdrew. Actually, I went like I traded it. Then I took it back to like $40 to $45. That's when I took that amount, those profits that I made, and I just withdrew them and traded with the same investment that I started with. Because at the end of the day, it was a risk, guys. 100 rand. Imagine from 100 rand to make it like 400 rand. So knowing that it was just a high risk, I'm able to now, like I said, take it to the account and raise just money because I'm not working, guys. So I feel like this is the best way for me to raise capital for me until the end of March. So I was able to get in here, guys. As you can see, also there's continuation patterns. The wedge. You can see this is the let's go a little bit lower, because I was entering my trades on the lower, looking for those snapper entries, because I was using lower time frame. As you can see, went up, came down, went up. This is a wedge. Another one. This is a flag. You would say it's a flag, some sort of a flag, but you can see something happened. So it was a prolonged flag. Yeah, I was able to get in here, but as you can see, it went down a bit, but I was able to hold, not like here at this level here where I wasn't able to hold when it just broke through the 30 level, 30,00 level, 30k level. So I went up, then it came here, then I saw this area here on the 15-minute chart, and I just knew, after it coming down and retesting here, I knew it had to go up. And that's where I entered before it breaking through this higher high here. It broke through, and yeah, man, I was able to take it until Friday, where I was able to get out here. I got out here, guys. That's where I got out. I got out here. That's where I got out. So it was a profitable week, guys. I will not lie to you guys, with US30. Very profitable, and I'm going to be showing my trades that I took on my Instagram account. So go check out my Instagram account if you want to see what I did. And I won't be showing you guys the profits, but I'm going to show you the pips that we were able to catch, man, because I don't want you to focus on profits, because you're going to lose track, man, of the scale. I'm trying to show you the scale, and that's what you should be focusing on, the skill that this guy was able to say this is going to happen, and it did happen. And I'm telling you right now, I did catch it, and it's up to you if you do not believe it, but the work says for itself. I posted the video, guys. It's not like I manipulated it anyway. I did post a video and you can go back and go check it out, like I said. So now what the gold, like I said, I was going to trade it once it broke through here, but I was so focused on US30, and probably GBPUSD. I did enter, I will not lie, I did enter, but it was a loss. It was a loss. So and I was buying it. I wasn't necessarily selling it, I was buying it. So I decided, what, let me just get out the trade and let it be, honestly, and I'm gonna just let it be. So yeah, I went in a buy. I think you might be able to see it where I went to buy. Okay, now you won't be, but I did buy it. Then it went up a bit. Then after going up a bit, let me check. I said the first is the one. Where's the one? I can probably show you where I bought. because I bought early in the morning as well. First, as you can see, I bought here. Yes, I remember. Also, I bought here. But because when you go to the 1 hour, yo, it is so scary, guys. And the drawdowns of this ones are crazy. Those are the pairs you should be trying to avoid by all means. Then you go to the upside. Then I could have, it went up, and I thought because of this I was gonna sell. Then I went out. Then I wanted to buy. Then I got out because it was, because of this week it was going down. So I was like, okay, maybe I was right. So, let me get out. Then it went up. Then I was like, you know what? I'm done. I'm honestly done. Then I tried trading it again. I just don't remember where, but it was a buy setup. Then it wasn't doing the things, man. Honestly, it wasn't doing the thing. So I got in. I lost like probably $2. Then I went out. It wasn't worth it. Even on my demo account, it wasn't worth it. It just wasn't worth it trading it. So I let it be. And plus, I was already in profits and I already scaled in on my US30. I decided, you know what? I'm okay with the profits that I'm making and the trades that I'm in. So let me respect my trading plan and let bygones be bygones. So yeah, guys, this are the setups that I went through, that I took this week. Just go check out my Instagram where I'm gonna be showing you the results. And even better is go to my Telegram account, public account, InfoFxmosako group, public group. It's the link is down below in the description. You can check as I update on everything when I'm entering the trade, how I'm feeling, and why I'm entering it. Like I'm saying everything as I'm doing everything. So please do go to my trading account, my Telegram account. Go check out my Instagram, and please do not forget to press the subscribe button and the like button if you're really finding this content helpful. And like I'm always saying at the start of the video, that go back to my previous video if you really want to gain proper knowledge, man. Because looking at this, you'll be able to see why he took this trade. You'll be able to see why. And now that these trades have played out, I can tell you how I felt, what I was going through, while taking those trades. So yeah, guys, I hope you found this very educational, and I'm wishing y'all a wonderful weekend. Please rest, as looking at numbers the whole day, yo guys, it's tiring. It's really tiring. So when you are done, yeah, man, just rest, man. Just rest. And Monday we're coming back and we're killing the market again. Peace out.